What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have HLBS, Helbiz. It's 9% down today, approximately, close to there. And my yesterday's prediction was if we break above that high, I'm gonna be bearish. So we haven't broken above past that. Like if we just follow the structure, as you can see, it actually is coming from here. So this is definitely around the 30-minute chart. Yeah, even 1 hour if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it is the 1 hour. And now, as you can see, we made equal lows with these lows. They're right around 0.99496. So yeah, as you can see right there. And the likelihood of this just coming higher here is not that much. Except, for example, like this is more likely to happen than this. You feel me? So my prediction is that we're going to be breaking this 96 cent lows. Let me know what are your thoughts. It does seem like we just keep falling down. Stay tuned. I'm going to be keeping you updated, and that's about this for Helbiz, for this Helbiz video. Stay tuned and goodbye. Not financial.